Good morning, sir. Chapter 6, Summative Report. Alternating Current Power Systems. The vast majority of the electrical power produced in the United States is alternating current. Massive mechanical generators at power plants throughout our country provide the necessary electrical power to supply our homes and industries. Most generators produce three-phase alternating current. However, single-phase generators are also used for certain applications of a smaller nature. The operations of mechanical generators relies upon fundamental principles of electricity called electromagnetic induction. The basic principles that allows electrical power to be produced by alternators was discovered in the early 1800s by Michael Faraday, an English scientist. Faraday's law is the basic of electrical power production. Voltage development in a generator. It is known that when a conductor moves across a certain number of magnetic lines of force in 1 second, an induced electromotive force of 1 volt is developed across the conductor. Single-phase DC power systems. Electrical power can be produced by single-phase generators, commonly called alternators. Three conditions must exist. Number 1, there must be a magnetic field developed. 2, there must be a group of conductors adjacent to magnetic field. 3, there must be relative motion between the magnetic field and conductors. Generators construction. Generator construction. Generators used to produce electrical power require some form of mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is used to move electrical conductors through the magnetic field of the generator. Conductors that can be rotated are placed within the magnetic field and they are connected to a load device means of sling ring brush assembly. AC sine wave. The induced current produced by a sinusoidal waveform or sine wave. Single-phase AC generator is used particularly in the home. The rotating armature method. In the rotating armature method, prime movers may be steam turbine, gas or hydraulic turbines, gasoline engines, diesel engines, or possibly gas engines or electric motors. The rotating field method is used for turbines capable of producing larger amounts of power. The direct current excitation voltage which developed in the magnetic field is applied to the rotating portion of the machine. Three-phase AC generators. The vast majority of electrical power produced in the United States is three-phase power. Because of their large power ratings, three-phase generators utilize the rotating field method. Generation of three-phase voltage. The basic construction of a three-phase is 26 tensionary poles or 2 poles for each phase. Advantage of three-phase power is the pulsating, high-speed and low-speed generators. Generators can also be classified as either high-speed or low-speed. Types. High-speed generators are usually driven by steam turbines, while the low-speed generators are larger in diameter and not as long as high-speed machines. Generator frequency. The frequency of a sinusoidal waveform, sine wave produced by an engineer, is usually 60 Hz. Generator voltage regulation. The amount of change in generated voltage from a no-load condition to a rated full load operating condition is referred to as voltage regulation. Generator efficiency. Generator efficiency is the ratio of the power output in watts to power input in horsepower. That's all, sir. Thank you.